Welcome to Section 6 of the Value Stream Mapping VSM program by Advanced Innovation Group. In this section, we'll move ahead to explore how to analyze, refine, and sustain the improvements from our future state map. The focus will be on aligning implementation actions, tracking performance, and ensuring continuous flow across processes. Let's get started with how we translate our design into real, measurable results. Welcome to the session on Advanced VSM Analytics and Financial Linkages. In this module, we'll explore how to connect value stream mapping outcomes with financial performance metrics like cost reduction, productivity gains, and ROI. You'll learn how data-driven VSM analysis helps justify improvement initiatives in monetary terms and supports strategic decision-making for sustained business growth. In this section, we'll understand how advanced VSM analytics links process improvements to financial outcomes. We start by moving from operational flow metrics to understanding their strategic and financial impact. Next, we learn how to quantify VSM benefits, translating saved time into money and measurable value. Finally, we'll discuss how strong analytics and data insights help gain leadership buy-in for continuous improvement initiatives. This slide highlights the key VSM performance metrics and how they tie into financial outcomes. We start with Process Cycle Efficiency (PCE), which measures flow effectiveness by comparing value-added time to total lead time. Throughput time (TT) evaluates process capacity and speed. First Pass Yield (FPY) measures quality accuracy, while Rolled Throughput Yield (RTY) captures overall process reliability across steps. Finally, Inventory Turn indicates the speed of cash flow, showing how efficiently inventory is converted into sales. Let's look at how to calculate Process Cycle Efficiency (PCE), a key lean metric that shows how much of the total process time actually adds value. The formula is simple. PCE equals value-added time divided by lead time. For effective processes, PCE should be above 10% for services and above 25% for manufacturing. In our example, with 133 seconds of value-added time and a lead time of 5.2 days, the PCE is just 0.03%, far below target, signaling huge potential for improvement toward a goal of 5% or more. Rolled Throughput Yield (RTY) measures the overall process yield by multiplying the first pass yield (FPY) of each step. For example, if for process steps have yields of 0.95, 0.97, 0.96, and 0.98, the RTY becomes 0.86, meaning a 14% loss due to rework or defects. This metric helps identify where quality issues accumulate and highlights high defect steps that need immediate attention for process improvement. The cost of poor quality (COPQ) helps quantify how much money a business loses due to quality issues. It includes for categories internal failures, external failures, appraisal, and prevention costs. By converting defects and rework into actual or dollar losses per month, organizations can measure the financial impact of poor quality. The goal is to keep COPQ below 2% of total sales, reflecting a healthy and efficient process. Reducing lead time directly improves cash flow because shorter lead times mean lower inventory and faster cash cycles. The relationship is simple. When lead time decreases, inventory drops, freeing up cash. The formula is delta cash equals delta inventory times COGS rate. For example, if WIP inventory reduces from 12 lakh to 2 lakh, we free up 10 lakh in working capital. This shows how lean improvements translate directly into financial gains. Throughput improvement directly impacts profitability. The formula is simple. Throughput gain equals new output, baseline output times contribution margin. For example, if output increases by 15 units per day with a margin of 800 per unit, that equals 12,000 in daily gain. When annualized, this improvement results in about 30 lakh per year, showing how lean initiatives convert process efficiency into tangible financial benefits. This financial storyboard shows how value stream mapping translates improvement actions into measurable financial gains. By reducing lead time by 85%, the organization frees up 10 lakh in working capital. Improving first-pass yield by 9 percentage points lowers the cost of poor quality by 6 lakh annually. And increasing throughput by 15% generates 30 lakh in additional yearly revenue. Together, these improvements deliver a total annual benefit of 46 lakh, clearly proving the business value of lean initiatives. Automation makes VSM metrics more reliable and real-time. By pulling data directly from ERP or MES systems, we can auto-populate dashboards without manual intervention. Our PA bots can extract timestamps from service systems, eliminating delays and errors. And using Power BI or Excel macro templates for metrics like PCE and COC helps visualize process performance instantly and track improvements continuously. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this section. Process cycle efficiency PCE and rolled throughput yield RTY help measure flow accuracy and reliability. Cost of poor quality COP connects process defects directly to financial losses. Reducing lead time drives cash flow gains, improving working capital and liquidity. And finally, automation ensures these metrics are captured and tracked in real time, giving leaders actionable insights at their fingertips. This closes Section 6, Advanced VSM Analytics and Financial Linkages, where we've seen how process improvements convert directly into measurable business value.